All right, we got two workers sliding a 400 kilogram crate. So we've got a box, and it has a mass of 400 kilograms. We know its weight is 400 times 9.8, right? So also makes the normal force, that's not the greatest color, is it? Makes the normal force going to be 400 times 9.8, right? And what I want to do is we've got one person is pushing it with a force of 280, and one is pulling it with a force of 430. Okay? Both forces are horizontal, and that creates a side with a constant speed. Now notice that word constant speed. That means there's no net force, there's no acceleration. So if you will, this is the total force of these two together, 430 plus 280. So say 430 and 280. If you add that, then that has to equal the frictional force, right? And so when you're solving the problem, the frictional force is equal to mu times the normal force. So the frictional force is equal to the sum of these two forces. That's F of F. The normal force, you know that right here, and you can find mu.